Hi, I'm Cloney from SixdofSpace. We're an optical tracking company. We have a high-speed infrared optical tracker that we've developed. Primarily, in this case, we're using it for drone landing, precision landing. Let me show you how it works. This is a sensor, and we have here a couple of infrared beacons, little IR beacons that are showing up here on the screen. Each one puts out a unique ID, and the sensor tracks its position and orientation relative to the beacon. So if I lift it up, you see the height, you see its position, you see its orientation. And it does this very, very quickly. At 2.5 milliseconds, we can give a full pose calculation. So 400 times a second, you can update your position, which is very useful for tracking drone in high and windy conditions and challenging environments. The way we do this is a little tricky, but instead of using a camera, as you can see in here, we have what are called linear optical sensors. Each one of these sensors is just one line of pixels, and they integrate the light over a 120-degree field of view. So we can tell you at which angle each of these beacons are coming at in one axis, so we can tell you the azimuth, the elevation of each of these angles. And by processing that data, which you see here, really quickly, we can tell you the exact position and pose of the sensor in real time. We also have over here, I can show you another example of the technology. It's the same concept where we have two of these sensors, and we have a rigid body in this case. It's a little dodecahedron with infrared beacons spread around it. Each one of them, again, has its own unique ID, and the sensors are tracking the position and orientation. So we can use that. This is a motion capture system. Again, we're in the drone space. You can imagine putting, for an indoor application, you put the sensors around the room, put the lights on the drone, and you'll be able to track them as they're flying around, avoiding obstacles, avoiding people, and knowing exactly where they are. Yeah. That's us.